It is a rainy day today, but I decided to walk. Hindi, it's a gloomy day. So I just have my raincoat and I brought an umbrella just in case lumakas ang ulan. So here nakita ko na naman ang aking moms. So malalaman ko ng color nito, pink. This is pink. Ito naman, sobra ng brown ang aming mga tanim. Ito, orange. Orange. Ito rin pink. Pareho nung isa. Pink, pink, pink. Ito, orange. Ito, nahulog na naman tong ano. Inano ko na to kahapon. Or nung isang araw. So, I just need to clip it there. Yan, na-clip na siya. Oops, hindi ko pala na-clip ng isang araw. So, here, buds na ba yung aking ano? Wala pa, but it has new growth. Pero no buds yet. Ganda nito. Orange. Orange moms. Siyang nauuna. And here's a Wygilla. Nagpipilit mag-bloom. May kaunti-kaunti. And ito malapit na siguro matapos. The asters. Pero maganda siya. And our bloomstruck. Ganda pa din. At least, ito pala. Pink din. Pink din siya. Or parang pink nga. I'm just happy to show. Tingnan mo naman ang aking mga begonias. But at least, yan, dumami ang blooms nila siguro kasi malamig. Okay. And this is my coneflower. The balloon flower. And yung isang hydrangea namin. May bud. Ewan ko. Hahabol pa kaya yan this year? Sana. And the sedum. Pahiga siya ng pahiga. Anyway, lakad muna ako. It's raining. But it's okay. Hindi naman siya malakas. Okay. Finally, a dahlia that's facing outward so we can see it from afar. Even from afar, I can see the bloom. It's so nice. And our moms here are starting to open. So it's also purple or pink. So the two are purple and pink. And this one is red-orange. And our hosta has bloomed. Very nice. This one is supposed to be white. Okay. It's really raining and so many leaves. Okay. So nice. And our moms here are starting to open. So it's also purple or pink. So the two are purple and pink. And this one is red-orange. And our hosta has bloomed. Very nice. This one is supposed to be white. Okay. It's really raining and so many leaves. Okay. So nice. It's the end of September and the rains have stopped. The weather has become nicer. So hopefully it will still be good to be able to walk outside. So I've already walked 2 miles. That's why I'm breathing harder a bit. Okay. Nice sunny day today. Nice sunny day for a walk. Pasalubong ako ng doggy. An example of falling leaves. So many leaves right now. I want to clean. And dahlias again. Big flowers. Flowers there. This one is on its way out. And I have to deadhead the other one. That one. And our non-talk daisy has started to bloom. They're starting to open. This one has opened. And still so many buds. This has opened and there's a bee. And this one is a ladybug. Okay. So just to show you the whole plant. It's going to burst with flowers. It's a bit windy. Okay. So that's what's blooming right now. Dahlias and daisies. The Montauk daisy. And still the blanket flowers still blooming. And also the sedum. And the marigolds. And this bubblegum. Gomphrena. And the begonias. And geraniums. Laging end. And here to show our sunflower. So, tumatangkad na siya. Hopefully, maka-bloom pa siya before winter. And this is one of my peach rose cutting. So, surviving. I think yung isa ito, nangitim na siya. So, wala na siya. So, there's only one hope for this one plant. And I don't know my cuttings for the, what do you call this? The roses, the knockout. The double knockout rose. Red rose. Okay, so I'd better start cleaning, and deadhead. Nice sunny day today. Oh, there's a bee. I just cleaned up the porch. So I swept the falling leaves. And I just want to show my begonia. Look at my non-stopped tuberous begonia. It's blooming, lots of flowers. Lots of flowers in the middle. And the red, konti. Itong pink, konti talagang flower niya. And then the red, para siyang humahaba. So, madami siyang mga, yan, parang vine. kay Vine. Yan, and we have our fall decoration. Yan yung orange. Medyo dumami na din ang bulaklak niya. And this one, the pink. Ay, pink. Yellow pala. Yellow. Madami din siya talagang bulaklak. And the red. Mas maganda siguro talaga dito. Mas maaraw. Mas gusto niya. Ayan. Madami nang nahulog eh. Kaya, konti na lang ang natira. Pero madami pa rin. Maganda pa rin siya. Okay. And also, yan, kinat ko na yung begonia. Ay, begonia. Geranium. So, meron siyang buds ulit. Saan na yun? Buds again. Ayaw mag-focus. Meron siya ulit buds. And, yung pink na begonia ko. So, nilipat ko siya dito. And, growing siya, pero isa lang talaga yung sana maka-bloom pa siya. Before the winter. Before keeping it inside. Tapos ito ang aming, what do you call this? Coleus. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Red. Itong isa hindi na masyadong makita. Kailangan ilipat ko. Anyway. Okay lang naman. Okay, okay. Okay. Really a sunny day today. Ayan, nakapagwalis na ako. I cleaned the leaves. So, malinis na siya. No more leaves. Mamaya madami na namang leaves yan. Okay. Diyan lang ako sa likod naglinis. So, I'll just take a look what the garden looks like. Alam mo na. May cobweb. So, madami na ulit buds tong aking dahlia 4. Nag-deadhead ako ng marigold. And this, a foxglove, lumalaki na siya. Si Doom, medyo paalis na yung mga, niya, mga blooms. Just walking around the garden, looking at what needs to be done, or, naman, just looking at it. Siyempre, may butas na naman doon. Okay. Yung fern, isa na lang ang natira. Namatay na iba. Itong rose, kinat ko siya. Also this forsythia. I know, not forsythia. I forgot the name again. Weigela. And then, ito may mga buds na ang aming rhododendron. Getting ready for next year. Peonies. Nako, may powdery mildew. Ayan, meron na namang nagdig dito. Pero wala naman yata nakatanim dito. Ayan, meron na namang holes. Ang dami na namang holes. I have to put, castor oil. Nagtitig na naman sila. Although, hindi ko pa pala nilalagyan ng castor oil kasi dito. And as usual, the rose, daming butas pa din. And, full bloom na ang orange mums. Ganda. Full bloom na siya. And, the coneflower that I transferred, yan, bumubukas na yung flower niya. Doing okay. And meron pa isang bud. Okay. Hindi ko na inalisan ng leaves tong mga hydrangea. Ganyan naman yata talaga yan. And, pa rin, dami ring butas. Although, hindi ko pa nakikita ang ano nito, ang kanyang flower. And this is the other mums. Fully open. Ganda, no? To remove the leaf. Okay. Yan, paalis na yung aster. Nawawala na yung kanyang mga blooms. At least madami siyang bloom. Nag-bloom siya ng madami. Ang daming butas. I need really to put castor oil. Nahirap lang kasi nung sprayer namin nawawala. Nawawala yung ano. Nawawala yung pag-spray niya. Masyado pa namang mabigat yung castor oil. And this one, I think this is red. Go-open na rin siya. And our white, ano ba to? Eucarella. Medyo lumalaki siya, kumakapal. I'm so happy. Okay. And the hollyhocks. Still blooming. Still blooming. Walking around the garden. End of September. So, maganda pa rin yung bloom nitong aming, hydrangea. May mga butas-butas. And this one, the True Bloom Rose. Medyo kumakapal siya pero wala naman siyang buds. Itong hibiscus, tuluyan nang nawala yung kanyang leaves. And then the yellow rose, kailangan ko pala i-deadhead. And this is the coneflowers, the 2 coneflowers that I planted. So, okay naman. And lantana, meron pa rin bulaklak. And the coneflowers. Coneflowers, balloon flowers. Okay. Iba pala talaga kulay nung aking peach berry eyes. Ibang-iba siya. Anyway, hopefully gumanda pa siya. Okay. It's so sunny. Ganda ng aking begonia. Yellow begonia. And our wreath. Okay. Hydrangea. And this is Autumn Joy, Sedum. Ito pala yung isang coneflower. Okay naman siya, although wala siyang buds. But it's doing okay. Okay. Hello, hello again. Testing, testing. Look at our fall, autumn decorations. Very nice orange flower. And from Dollar Tree, it's always been using for 4 years now. Leaves are falling. And here's for the coming Thanksgiving. Okay. And also our wreath. Autumn fair. Isn't it nice? So nice. For fall, I still have to bring some of the autumn decorations out. Okay, just wanted to show this.